The top trial in the U.S. has controlled how state can strengthen on the internet companies to gather turnover tax of their customers. Previous, companies out of a natural present in a country were release of turnover tax gallery requirements. The high trial told the natural present guideline was unfounded and wrong. The 5-4 judgment is anticipated to assist state gather billions more than in income every year. The governing branches of a controversy among 3 on the internet retailers and the country of Southward Dakota, that gone a law in 2016 how require firms making a specific sum of industry in the country to gather turnover tax of customers. The high trial discarded a problem to how act, tipping a 1992 high trial judgment how set the natural present demand. Judiciary Anthony Kennedy wrote how the guideline every year becomes future remote of economical fact and results in considerable income losses to the state. He added how the demand for natural present amounted to a in the courts created tax orphanage how put on the internet firms at an benefit above their bricks and mortar competitive environment. The most of U.S. state gather several turnover tax on retailer purchases, characteristically charge customers among 4% and 8% for every transactions. Shops and retailer chains include reasoned for year how current turnover tax rules promote customers to do their trading on the internet, wherever they can escape profitable how taxation. The Domestic Retailer Federation, a trading associate, cheered those governing proverb it would assist to build a equitable and standard game box wherever all retailers competitive by the identical turnover tax rules if they sell trade on the internet, to store or both of. But NetChoice, a trading associate for e-commerce firms, alerted little business community would include anxiety conforming in the various tax requirements in every country. The team outlined the judgment as a flash strike to customers and little on the internet business community. Consumer will rapidly sense the adverse effects as such business community dry up or are constrained in the weapon of web giants, told Chris Coxon, NetChoice external advisor. Shares in the on the internet market ETSE bring down more than rather than 2% following the judgment. Shares in Wayfair, an on the internet furnishings business how is one of the firms implicated in the trial instance, bring down by more than rather than 1%. Amazon shares slumped less than rather than 1%. The company already collects turnover tax on the consumer goods it sells immediately, but it does not ever do so for means sold out by freelance merchants with its plate.